welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Every Monday. Every single, guys. If you guys want another day, another upload day, I'm pretty sure I can make that happen. Just leave it in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will continue to do one upload a week, and that's what y'all gonna get. But as you can see, today I am barefaced, and from the title, you guys know this is another skincare routine, another skincare video. It's been a while, but honestly, my skincare routine has definitely changed, and surprisingly, I've been adding a lot more moisturizers, even though it's the summer and my skin is oily. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, my skin hasn't been as oily as it used to be. It's crazy, and usually it's oily. You guys already know when these oils are coming through, I can fry chicken on this face, but I think I found the formula. Okay, and I'm ready to share that with you. So today is going to be a combination of some high-end and some drugstore or affordable product, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, you gotta spend money when it comes to them serums. Okay, serums are really the key in my skincare routine, and you guys know, oily ass skin and super sensitive. So if you want to see my current skincare routine, keep on watching. Camera, I did go ahead, zoom you guys in just a little bit so you guys can't see my face, see my skin. My face is a little damp because I did go ahead and just wash my face using my Effaclar Cleanser. So this is by La Roche-Posay. This is about $15, $16. You can get this from Ulta, very inexpensive. I know you guys are used to my Truly Beauty, but honestly, that ran out, and I went back to the basics. Like, this is where I started. This is one of my favorites, and it's still good. I just pair it with my Clarisonic Mia2 at night. During the day, I just use my fingers because I didn't do anything the night before. I don't gotta get up in the pores, so I don't. That's just it. But this is a really good. I don't know if you guys remember, you guys, my day one enablers, the OGs. I love this stuff, and it's gentle enough that I can use this as a spot treatment for those little pesky Professor Pimples that pop up. Like, I have one here, and I spot treat that during the day just using this. You can go ahead and use the acne patches by Truly Beauty. They are really good. I just don't have any more, and I just launched my lashes. I need to save money. Okay, so I wasn't gonna go ahead and splurge the extra $10 for my Truly Beauty anti-blemish CBD cleanser, because I can save $10, and this is still really good. So it does have 2% salicylic acid. You guys know that is key for combating acne. So these two, love it. But so my face is actually still damp because not every day, but every few days, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, I do go in with my Matcha Scrub. So this is a Matcha Scrub. It's a whipped face scrub. It's green tea, matcha, dead sea salt, and a vitamin A boost. This is by Truly Beauty. It is really good, and I like it. I do. So the reason I go in with this is because my skin is textured, and it just evens out your skin and smooths it out as you use, the more you use it. But you don't want to over exfoliate and take those good nutrients and bacteria off it. You don't want to do that. You want your skin to retain nutrients, so you don't want to exfoliate every single day. But I do it like 2 or 3 times a week, honestly. And I just take a little bit. So it is like a sugar scrub. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start here, and I'm just gonna and I'm just gonna keep rubbing it in until it's like, how do I put it? Until it dissolves. That's what I'm gonna do. So while using the scrub, I really try to get in the corner of my nose. You know, sometimes you can get built up foundation. So I really just wanna get there under right here, by my chin, and my cheeks. I do have a lot of texture on my cheeks. I don't know why, I just do. Right where you highlight, so I just make sure I get up in there, and then I'm going to just rinse that shit right off. Sorry. And I'm just going to rinse it off once I feel like it's it's not gritty anymore. Like, you want to feel like sandpaper and you want it to dissolve. Once I feel like most of it has dissolved, I'm just going to go ahead, rinse it off with warm water at first, and then I'm going to go in with cold water just to tighten those pores. So I'm going to do that right now. So I did just go ahead and dry my face. I just pat it dry. You don't want to sweat, you want to pat. Okay, guys, you guys can see my skin. It's looking kind of cute, I swear. Usually by now, it's like, my nose looks shiny, but it's really not oily. That's the crazy thing, but ooh, my skin has been looking decent. Look at this. It's a mess. Okay, so while my skin does look pretty good, I do still have some dark marks. Again, my skin is so sensitive that any little pimple, anything, even if it dries up on its own, it'll leave a scar. So I do have some dark marks. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use for that. Right after I dry my face, after I use a cleanser and a scrub. Again, the scrub is optional, only 2 or 3 times a week. But usually after that, I go in with a toner. I'm not using my Truly Beauty. I'm really not using much Truly Beauty products today, honestly. Just gonna let you know. Not because I don't love it. I really, really do. And use them all together, they are amazing. But I do find that my skin's needs have changed over the seasons, over the weeks and months of me using different products and trying them out. I do find other things that I like, so I'm going to share that with you guys. But yes, I am going to use a toner. I'm actually using the Thayer's Natural Remedies toner. This one is the witch hazel with the rose extract. I really, really love it. It's really good. Or you could just use the regular witch hazel. Witch hazel is always good as a toner. I'm just going to put that all over my face. And I actually really, really like the ones with the rose extract or the rose petal. I don't know. Anything with like rose oils and rose petal extract and aloe, my skin is like, yeah, give me some more, give me some more. Ooh, it's so good. It really does like help my skin a lot. So I'm just gonna let that dry, like air dry with a little fan. If you guys remember my first skincare video where I had that pretty, it broke. I stole this from my mother. Don't tell. So yeah, I'm just gonna dry my face just a little bit with that. It's actually pretty dry. I didn't use too much witch hazel. Be careful if it gets in your eye. Like it's happy. Listen, don't get witch hazel in your eye. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna go with my Badesco spray. So this is the green one, the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. My favorite. Also really inexpensive. I think this one may be like $8 or something like that. It's not too much. This witch hazel, just a small one. A little goes a long way. This was about $4. So this, I'm not gonna lie to you, I think the scrub is the most expensive thing so far. It's about $25. We're not counting the Clarisonic. That is a Mia2. It is expensive, but I've had it for years. If you are interested in a Clarisonic, go for the Mia1. I'm telling you right now, I never use the second setting or second speed ever. Just get the one. Don't even bother. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead with this Badesco spray. Ooh. So this is a moisturizing spray and I just love it. I like everything it does for my skin. It feels really, really nice. So I'm just gonna let that soak in and then we're going in with some serums. Now that is nice and dry, I am gonna go in with my first serum. So this is my vitamin C serum with Hibiscus. This is by Teamy Blends. You guys know I did partner with them before for their green tea matcha mask, the detox mask, and I love it. It's so good. It is done. I also feel like that is one of the reasons why my skin is not as oily as much. I did use that 2 to 3 times a week, and then for like the first 2 months, and then I did start swapping it out. So I would use my Formula 10.0.6 mask, and then I would swap it out with the detox mask every Sunday. You guys know that's my skincare day. That's where I go in. If you haven't, make sure you go ahead and check out my complete skincare routine for self-care day. It is perfect from start to finish. I use my vacuum, my Clarisonic, a mask. It is for real, okay? And honestly, it changed the game. So I'm gonna go in with this vitamin C serum. I actually keep it in my skincare fridge. It just really, really helps me. It is a vitamin C and hibiscus mask, so keep that in mind. But the scent is a very, very light, and it just feels really nice. Like you feel like a little tightening on the skin, which I like a serum or a mask that I can feel. I don't know why. As long as my face is not on fire, I'm good with it. And it's just really, it's really, really good. And it has collagen in it. So guys, fight them wrinkles, okay? Wrinkles are real and we don't want them. So I'm just gonna let this sit in my skin for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with another serum, but I really, really do just love how it feels. You can use my code, it'll be in the description box below, to get 20% off of your order from Teamy Blends, and it helps me out. It is an affiliate code. So go ahead, if you want to support me, you want to support my channel, go ahead and grab anything from the website for a little bit of discount. They do have their own skincare fridge, so keep that in mind. Mine is not from Teamy Blends, but I do highly recommend the skincare fridge if you do have really sensitive skin like I do. It changes the game for your serums and your creams. Trust me. It reduces irritation tenfold. I swear it does. But this is really good. It's really good. I do like it. I shall not tell a lie, and I'm always looking for another serum. Serums have definitely changed the game for me, and because this is vitamin C with hibiscus, it is a brightening serum, and you guys know I'm always trying to get rid of some dark marks or when these pimples pop and scar me, because everything literally scars and bruises me, and I'm just trying to get that, we're trying to clear up the skin with this and my other products. So the next thing I'm gonna go into is also on the higher end side. This is a skin regimen. This is a 1.85 HA booster. So it is a hyaluronic acid serum, and this is extra moisturizing. And I'm just gonna do a couple drops here and there. I'm such a mess. I'm just gonna work this in, and it's like, yeah, really hydrating. And you would think that because my skin is so oily that I would probably like not go so hard with the moisturizing serums, but you really have to. For some reason, all these extra serums and oils and everything that I've been using really helps my skin to not be as oily during the day. So it's, I don't know what it is, but I like it, and I like not having my foundation slide off my nose. That is the worst, okay? Because foundations are expensive, and I really like it. So I'm just gonna let this set in my skin for a little bit, and then we're gonna go into the final step, which is a sleep mask or mush. You guys can skip a sleep mask, but I like to use a sleep mask, and this one that I got in my BoxyCharm, I don't know what month it is, but it really helps. So this is the Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. So it is a sleep mask, and it's plumping, which means no wrinkles. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit under the eye, just a little bit. I use this as a night cream as well, like an eye cream, excuse me. And I used the Dr. Brandt hydrating eye cream, but I don't think I liked that as much. I didn't think it really did anything. This one, I feel like it definitely does a little something. And I just apply it here first, and then I use the rest all over my face. I just want to target my under eyes, not because I get a lot of bags. I don't. Surprisingly, I don't ever sleep either, but I don't really get bags. But I do get creasing, and I don't like that. So my foundation and my concealer creases a lot under my eyes, so I just want to stop. So I'm just gonna use the sleep mask all over my face, and it feels really nice. This was also in my skincare fridge, so game changer, I swear. But let me just rub this in and get out your face. So it's my skin, everything's been soaking in. My skin feels great, it feels hydrated. I hope it looks good. I don't know about you guys, but it looks kind of good. I do still have, you know, Professor Pimpal up here, which is stupid. He needs to go away. I do have some dark marks and texture here, but I'm working on that. That is what the other products are for. So Matcha Scrub has definitely been helping me with my texture and to really exfoliate, especially around here. Sometimes I get little stupid breakouts by my nose because of like when my skin gets oily. I haven't been having it for a while, but the scrub still helps. It does. All of these serums that I use, definitely check out the Vitamin C Hibiscus Serum by Teamy Blends. I had to make sure this is my code. So you can go ahead and use ARiiED 20 to get 20% off your purchase from Teamy Blends. It doesn't have to be the serum. I do recommend the serum and the green tea detoxifying mask. They are they're so good. I'm not gonna lie, I really feel like that mask helped with my oils and just to control them. I literally just ran out, so I myself will be purchasing one really soon. It is by far one of my favorites. You ever see me post on Instagram that green mask? That's it. But the vitamin C serum has been working really well so far. It is not something that you're gonna see results instantly, but it's gonna take some time. But it definitely helps my skin to feel better. Like I can feel the difference. You guys know you know your bodies. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It definitely helps me out a lot. It's been a while since I did a skincare video, and I feel like it's nice and chill, especially all the makeup that I've been putting on lately. We need to sit and just get that skin right, and that's it. If there's anything else you'd like to see from the channel, any skincare products or gadgets that you want to try, I've so far only tried the blackhead remover vacuum, and if you haven't seen this video, guys, I am so immature. It was just too funny to me. I'm immature, but it is a really, really good product, and I like it. I don't know if the blue and red lights help with like collagen or the acne as it says. I don't know the difference, but I also don't use it enough to find out. So that could be me. But again, if there's any skincare gadgets that you'd like me to try, make sure you go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. Comment. That's just engage with me, baby. Stop playing. Yes. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.